There is no demand for a SAP PP and QM consultant in the future if you work in a traditional way. If your SAP PP and QM knowledge still stuck, then my dear friend, this video is very important for you. Because if you stay only at this level, believe me, 2 years down the line, the market will move ahead and you will be sitting with the same tickets, the same salary, the same profile. In this video, I will show you exactly how the PPQM career is changing, and at the end, I will give you a simple 5-step path to become a future ready consultant. And the fifth step, very few people are talking about it. So stay with me till the end, right? Hi friends, Parminder here from Sastrageek. In my last 20 years of SAP consulting, I have seen the market change many times. But what is happening right now with AI and automation, this change is the biggest one. See, the SAP market is changing. Companies are not looking only for consultants who can follow the standard process. They are looking for consultants who can improve the process, right? They want people who understand production, quality, shop floor problems, business users, automation, low code apps, and the AI. In simple words, the future PPQM consultant will not say, "This is the standard SAP process." The future consultant will ask, "How can we make this process faster, smarter, and more automated for the business?" That is the real career pivot, my dear friend, from functional consultant to solution architect. Let me explain with one simple example. Imagine a company manufacturing packaged juice bottles. Every day, production orders are created, raw materials are issued, machines are scheduled, bottles are filled, labeled, packed, and moved to stock. This is where the SAP PP comes into the picture. Bill of material, routing, work center, production order, confirmations, goods receipt. Now, because it is a food product, quality is very, very important. So SAP QM comes in. The quality team is checking raw material, in process production, and finished goods, taste, color, bottle sealing, batch number, expiry, lab results. If everything is fine, the batch is accepted. If not, the batch is blocked and a quality notification is created. Very common PPQM process, right? But here is the real problem. In most of the companies, this process is still not smooth. The quality team is recording data manually. Some checks are on paper. Some updates go into SAP later. Follow ups are happening on phone calls, approvals on emails, reports in Excel. And the day a defect comes, everyone starts asking, who checked this? When was it checked? Which machine? Which shift? Which batch? Nobody has the answer immediately. This is the daily reality of the shop floor, and believe me, it happened with me also on real projects. Now, this is where a traditional consultant and a future ready consultant think differently. The traditional consultant will say, use inspection log, record results, make usage decision, create the notification. Correct answer. But the future ready consultant, he goes one step further. He asks, can we reduce the manual entry? Can we give a simple mobile app to the shop floor user? Can we trigger alerts automatically when a result fails? Can we automate the approval workflow? Can we use AI to catch repeated defects? These questions are where your value starts. Now imagine the same juice company again. The inspector is not writing on paper. He opens a simple mobile app on the shop floor. The app shows the production order, the material, the batch, and the inspection checklist. He enters the result directly. If the value is within limit, the process continues. But if the value is outside the limit, the system does not wait for someone to notice. It immediately alerts the supervisor, creates a task for the quality manager, starts the approval workflow, suggests blocking the batch, and creates the quality notification automatically. Now the process is not only controlled, the process is intelligent, right? And now add AI on top of this. AI analyzes the historical defects and finds the patterns. Maybe bottle leakage is coming mostly from one filling machine. Maybe defects are increasing in one particular shift. Maybe one supplier's raw material is causing more rejections. Now think about the consultant who can design this solution. He is not maintaining screens. He is reducing rejection, reducing manual work, improving quality, improving decision making. And my dear friend, such people are very, very few in the market today. And the demand is only going up. If you become this valuable asset, the jobs will search for you, not you searching for jobs. So, how do you reach there? Follow this simple 5 step path. First, become strong in core SAP PP. Material master, bill of material, routing, work center, MRP, production order, confirmations, goods moments. No shortcut here. Second, become strong in SAP QM, inspection plan, inspection lot, result recording, usage decision, defect recording, quality notification. Third, learn how low code apps can simplify the user experience. Because one simple app for the shop floor user is worth more than 10 fancy reports. Fourth, learn process automation. Find where the duplicate work is, where the manual approvals are, where Excel is still running the show, and remove that repetitive work with workflows. And fifth, the one I promised you at the beginning, learn how AI supports decisions. Not AI as a buzzword, AI for defect pattern analysis, exception handling, recommendations, and real time visibility for the management. Because the future consultant will not just run the process, the future consultant will redesign the process. Very few PPQM people are building this skill today, and that is exactly why it pays. And if you are already working in support or rollout, do not stay limited to tickets, right? Stop asking only which movement type, which inspection type, which control key. Start asking, where is the user doing duplicate work? Where is the business waiting? Where are the defects repeating again and again? The day you start asking these questions, your profile changes. You move from ticket resolver to business problem solver. And that is the mindset companies are paying for. So if you want to build this future ready PPQM career, core modules plus automation plus AI, comment the word future below this video, and my team will guide you on how to start step by step. And do share this video with your PPQM friends because most of them are still preparing for the old market, right? Keep learning, keep growing. Parminder signing off.